The Global Justice Program began in its current form in 2007 when two students decided they wanted to follow a guy named Bob Goff to Uganda to see if they could be useful in his efforts to assist the judiciary.
They let me serve as the honorary consul for the Republic of Uganda. Isn't that crazy? Oh, I've got some terrific letterhead. It's got like shields and spears. It says Embassy of the Republic of Uganda. I know that sounds nuts, but literally I just bought a plane ticket and then land there and make some moves. And so if justice is your thing, I headed for the courthouse. And then I started meeting these judges. And I said, well, what if we all get together? And we got every judge in the country together, and I invited a couple students to come. I said, come. And they did. And I said to us, they said, what should we do? I'm like, make friends. Instead of telling everybody that they're wrong, say, how can it be helpful? And there's a big difference between telling people they're wrong and saying, how could we go make this right? Me and you.
Each year, a team of law students serve as judicial interns for Uganda. Working alongside Ugandan court officials, their hope is to assist the judiciary in their caseload.
Why are there many waiting on remand? That is, I think they call it the $1 million question. A lot of people actually are in prison, but they are willing to take responsibility for their crimes. They are willing to plead guilty. The greatest problem in almost all prisons is overcrowding.
After two student interns presented a paper urging Uganda to consider using plea bargaining to reduce the backlog of cases, Ugandan judges came to Los Angeles for an intensive one-week study tour. In the summer of 2015, Uganda held its first national plea bargaining conference. Jim assembled a team of judges, prosecutors, defense lawyers, and professors to assist and encourage the Ugandans in their implementation and refinement of plea bargaining as a pillar of their criminal justice system. Ugandans and Americans shared ideas and conducted mock plea negotiation sessions to aid prosecutors, defense lawyers, and judges in their efforts to fully implement an effective plea bargaining system.
If we never do anything which has never been done before, we shall never get anywhere. The law will stand still, but the rest of the world goes on, and that will be bad for both of us.
Do what we can to assist Uganda in charting its own course, figuring out what sort of opportunities it could borrow from other jurisdictions, shape them into the unique culture and judicial system here, and create a system that works best for Ugandans.
We must, however, always be cautious that the world around us is moving, and the judiciaries and the bar must adapt in order to remain relevant. I am personally convinced that plea bargaining will be the most significant reform of our criminal justice system since independence.